Good day! Today, I will be talking about one of the most famous artworks in the world, the Mona Lisa, painted by the great Renaissance artist Leonardo da Vinci. Mona Lisa is known for her mysterious smile which has intrigued people for centuries. Leonardo da Vinci used a technique called sfumato to make her features look soft and natural. The background of the painting with mountains and winding paths creates a dreamlike atmosphere. Some theories suggest that Mona Lisa represents an idealized woman, while others believe she was Lisa Gherardini, the wife of Florentine the Merchant. The artwork has been displayed in the Louvre Museum in France since the 19th century and is visited by millions of people. Mona Lisa is more than just a painting. It's a symbol of art, mystery, and timeless beauty. It continues to inspire artists and viewers alike, proving that great art never fades.